What's good, YouTube? How everyone doing tonight? Hope everyone's having an amazing night. I am, and I hope y'all are too. We going to Luna Park. About to just chill out for a little bit. Get out that person way real quick. Y'all like the color, the light, the interior light I got going on? My boy put me on. This one I got from Amazon, but the one I had before, it was from TikTok. It was okay at first, but I didn't really like the fact that the battery needed to charge every minute. But this one, I could just plug it in, and whenever I turn the car on, it turns on. But the one with TikTok, whenever I turn the car off, it still stays on. So that got annoying. So I was like, yeah, let me just get that real quick. Let me just get this one. Boy, I don't think there's. What is this guy doing? He tried to turn left. There's nothing there. It's just gonna hit something, my guy. At least it's still early. It's only 7:21, so going to Luna Park shouldn't be that bad. I don't know if people might be around still. They may be, but if not, that's fine. I could just chill there by myself. And plus, I don't think anyone's gonna be there because of the weather. It's drizzling right now. So there shouldn't be that much people, or there should be little to no people there. Right now, I'd be surprised, honestly. I'd be so surprised. It's 46 degrees right now, Fahrenheit. I don't think anyone likes the cold out here. It's not really that cold, it's just windy. Which is making it cold. The other day, I don't know if it was Wednesday or Thursday, I tried to make a POV drive to the gym, and that was like, I think 8 or 9 o'clock at night, when early in the day I had already went to the gym in like the afternoon, and I wanted to go to the gym again. And making that video, I had no energy, so I was not even talking in that. I was barely talking. And I was like, you know, now that I'm looking back at it, I'm like, I'm not gonna post this. I don't want to do that. What is this guy? Nah, bro. Fuck. Oh, he was letting me go. That's all good. Yeah, I was like, I'm not gonna post this because I had little to no energy, and I didn't want to put that up there. But then I still went to the gym, like, eventually. So I went to the gym 2 times, and that was on a Thursday. 2 different gyms though, like same gym, different locations. Do I prefer city gym or just regular gym? I mean, it wasn't crowded in the city, so gym in the city wasn't bad at all. I like the atmosphere there. Very friendly. I mean, the one I go to normally is friendly as well. So that's a good thing. That's what I enjoy about the membership that I got. It allows me to choose between different gym locations. The fuck? Bro, what the fuck is this person doing though? Like, hurry up. Bro. I hate when people just do shit like that. Like, they don't think that there's people behind them, so they just do whatever. That shit is so annoying. Like, indicate, do something, show something that you stopping, bro. Don't just act like you got the street to yourself. The fuck? What the fuck? Yeah, he got it. He got it. Yo, why that roller coaster look? That shit look like it's about to drop, yo. Yo, these lights even go to the back seat too. I don't know if y'all can see, but it goes. I got 2 in the front, and I also got 2 in the back. It was pretty sick. Why is this person driving like this? Bro, everyone's driving mad weird tonight. What's going on with them? Can I pull up in here? Bust out a U-turn. I'm gonna park right here. And done. You know the camera. But yeah, y'all see the car. I tinted it up from last time I recorded a video. You can still see the inside because the lights is on. Let me turn it off real quick. Let me show y'all. But yeah, I turned it off. Can't see inside no more. You know, I was in the fishbowl, but no more fishbowl. It's ceramic tints. I'm not gonna lie. I don't remember the percentage, but it's not that dark. I haven't gotten pulled over, so I guess I'm fine. But yeah, the tint make the car look a whole lot better. Like, it's like it goes with the car. But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed that video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me turn the car back on. Show y'all the inside real quick. On my yeah, let me show y'all the inside. Pretty looking nice, looking nice. It look very cozy with these lights and shit. That's how I got the car looking right now. Let me know if y'all like it. K5 2025 GT line. All I did to it was get tints, and that was it. Ceramic tints. But yeah, so far I be keeping the car clean and shit. I be keeping it nice. And for my next car, like, after I'm done, let me get back inside. It's cold as shit. But yeah, for my next car, 4 to 5 years of having this car, I might switch it into like I'm thinking like a BMW, Mercedes, you know, something more, you know, up there with power. You know, I want something faster. Of course, I don't plan on keeping this car forever, but while I have it, I am gonna be doing things to make it a little bit more interesting, rather than just, you know, leaving it boring and shit. Like, I'm always gonna try to do some changes to it. Only changes I've done so far is get the lights and tints. I had to get tints because in the fishbowl, it wasn't it. It was not it. I don't know if y'all remember my video when I was coming home from school and the person was coming this way. Yo, I feel like they saw everything. Like, their whole light was reflected inside my car, and I bet they saw me with a GoPro on my head and whatever, because I was in a fishbowl, but not anymore, yo. Let me show y'all the outside of the car again one more time. See, I like the black and the gray. It looks good together. It looks good. The lights on the inside, you still see it from the back. Before, it was like basically I had no windows. It was like I had no windows before, but now it's like, okay, it's a little bit darker. Like I said, I haven't got pulled over, so I guess that's good. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. That little quick POV drive. Check out the wheels. It's still stock, but I don't know if I'm changing this soon. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed that video. Peace. Oh boy, it's mad cold out here, bro.